2007 Ford Mustang GT Coupe here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 46,819 on the odometer at the moment. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see black with charcoal gray stripes, giving it a boss look. Aftermarket grille. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on aftermarket black wheels, Michelin radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see the black has a nice shine to it. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's black. You're going to find an imperfection here or there, maybe a little touch-up. But overall, paint has a nice shine to it. Dark charcoal. Leather interior, bucket seats. Center console, the Shaker 500 system. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior. First, I want to get into some other things that are going to go along with this car and that have been done to it. So as far as exhaust, we have a Borla catback exhaust system to it. Catalytic converter is still intact, so you're aware of that. You notice we have a different spoiler back here than a regular GT. And I mentioned the aftermarket grille. So some things that are going to go along with the car. Car cover, original grille, original spoiler, California duster. That's a Mustang custom armrest cover, some miscellaneous parts, SCT scanner, or tuner I should say, and a couple heat shields. So that will go back in the car and go along with it, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also, if you'd like to take a peek at any of that. That charcoal stripe extending to the deck lid over the spoiler and down past the bumper. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Does have new brake pads up front, 50% in the rear. One of those cars, turn the key, get in and go, have some fun. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Get a good look at the door panels. Of course, the leather seating surface on the bucket seats, power seat over here on the driver's side, and seats, nice condition. Not showing a lot of wear. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. Let's fire it up. I'll show you the exact miles here too. There's the exact miles, 46,819. All right, no check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. That's just telling me to put my seat belt on. Gauge is all working. Nice deep throaty exhaust. Dash looks good. As you could hear a little earlier, radio's working fine.
Northern Comfort.
That would have the 6 CD changer. AM, FM. AC's blowing cold. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too, show you the engine bay, a few modifications under there. And at the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Like I said, nice throaty exhaust note, deep. Alright. Get an aftermarket stripe, giving it that boss look. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, so a little different cold air intake here from factory. It's kind of a cover piece for that intake. I believe the battery was from 2025. Newer battery. Running as it should. 2007 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, clean Carfax, actual mile car, no accidents indicated. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang in black with some nice dark silver, would you say? Gunmetal maybe? Striping. A different look, a very good look. This is a 5-speed manual transmission. Shifter right here on the center console. Nice short throw to that shift. And good acceleration. As you would expect for a Mustang, a performance-oriented car. The AC also blowing cold. Our tachometer's working, speedometer showing 60 miles an hour right now. This car, less than 50,000 on it, barely getting broke in. Our fuel gauge shows full, the temperature gauge a little under half, the battery gauge a little over half, and the oil pressure also a little over half. That's right where we want to see them. Couple tiny little raindrops starting to fall. I think I can beat them before it rains. Nice rumble to this car. Also expected for a Mustang. You want it to sound good. Brakes are nice and smooth. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. Corners nice and flat. Stereo sounds good.
It's worth. Seriously.
Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.